Welcome to the only course you need to master ASP.NET Core MVC from scratch. This course is designed to take you from a beginner in ASP.NET Core MVC all the way to building and deploying a real-world functional web application. Whether you're aiming to create your first project or launch a SaaS, this program has you covered. Divided into two mini courses, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of web development with ASP.NET Core MVC and receive step-by-step guidance on building a real application from scratch. In the first part of the course, we start with the basics. Even if you have no prior experience in ASP.NET Core MVC, by the end you'll know how to build a full MVC web application. We'll break down the MVC architecture, explore the structure of an ASP.NET Core project file by file, and dive into key concepts like routing, controllers, views, models, and more. You will also learn how to handle user input with forms, work with databases using Entity Framework Core, implement CRUD operations, understand and create database relationships, including one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationships using Entity Framework Core. This section is all about giving you a strong foundation using the latest .NET version, .NET 9. It's beginner-friendly and guides you step by step in a clear and concise way. In the second part of the course, we will build a real-world full-stack web application that solves a real problem. You will gain hands-on experience by creating a SaaS application which users can access via the web. You'll learn how to set up and build your app from scratch, including tips on where to focus if you want to build your own app. You will implement core features and ensure it is responsive across all devices. We'll add user authentication for secure access. We'll also cover UI design as we create an engaging landing page to attract users to your app. Finally, you'll learn how to deploy the app online, store user data in an online database, assign to the app a custom domain and subdomain name, and make it accessible to your target audience. As a bonus, you'll get access to my C# ebook for free, packed with valuable insights and resources. It covers everything you need to know about C# in one place, making it a high-quality resource for reference material whenever you're building in .NET. This is the perfect complement to the course, providing you with additional tools to enhance your programming knowledge. No matter where you are in your web development journey, this course will equip you with everything you need to create your first app, launch a successful SaaS, and confidently deploy your projects online. My name is Alan, and I'm excited to be your guide on this journey. Now let's build something amazing together.